Hi, Omega Chaos here again with another deck profile. This is my Blue Eyes Chaos Dragon deck. So let's go over the deck. Of course, 2 Blue Eyes White Dragon, not 3 in this variant, because 3 gets too groggy, because I play a lot of boss monsters in this deck. Then 3 Maiden with Eyes of Blue, the main way of summoning Blue Eyes White Dragon. Only 1 White Stone of Legend, because you only need 1 of these, which are mostly you're going to send it to the graveyard with Dragon's Rhyme to get the blue eyes from your deck. Then your Chaos Plus monsters. 1 Black Sword in way of beginning. Finally I have this card. Took a long time to attempt to reprint this card, so I can get it. Then 1 Chaos Sorcerer. Then 2 Light Pulsar Dragon. Not sure if I should run 3 in this deck. And 1 Darkfell Dragon. Okay, other monster. 2 Darkstone Dragon. It's a level 8 Dark Dragon. And it's a normal monster on the field and the grave. Especially a Gemini monster. And it definitely helps because it's it helps with the Chaos Engine. Then 1 Red Stardex Metal Dragon, of course. The one of the most essential cards in the Chaos Dragon deck. Then 2 Bright Star Dragon, mostly to target Maiden, get her effect off. Then 1 Eclipse Wyvern, of course to search out your Red Stardex Metal Dragon. And 1 Divine Dragon Apocryph to recycle all your dragons. Then 1 in the Interplanetary Blue Before Dragon. It's pretty good, I don't see many Chaos Dragon and Blue Eyes players trying this. But it's actually pretty good because basically if it master control is destroyed by battle or card effect, you can play someone this card in your hand. This set has 2200 attack, so it's pretty good. But you can run Tragedia over this, of course. Then 1 Course Damage of Darkness. 1 Honest, of course, because you run a lot of lights in here. Then the Milling Engine. 2 Loyal Iceborne Sorcerers. 2 Raiko Iceborne Hunter. 1 Chain Iceborne Paladin. And the last monster on deck is 1 Card Trooper. In the spells, 2 Dragon's Rhyme. It's really good in this variant at least. Helps you to set up your plays. 2 Trading. Pretty good. 2 Wonderland. Works in better in here because you also have Lila as a Wonderland target. Besides Maiden. 1 for 1, this class are made from the deck. 2 Sheila Scry. The person either Blue Eyes or Darkstone Dragon with this card. 2 for Forbidden Lands to target Maiden to re-trigger her effect or protect your masters. And the last spell is 1 Dark Hole. And the only trap I'm playing here is 1 Cast of Dragon Souls. The combo spell with Eclipse Wyvern, and you can target Maiden with this, of course. This was the main deck. Now the extra deck. I have to remind you that I still am missing some cards in the extra deck which are replaced by other not so good cards. So here it goes. 2 Azura Silver Dragon, of course. It's a really good synchro for blue eyes decks. 1 Star Dragon, because chorus and chorus token and the level 1 2 like across this. So yeah. Then 1 Black Rose Dragon, 1 Scrap Power Swank. This will be definitely replaced by Star Eater. If I can get one eventually. 1 card Force Field, and I should run Ace Behemoth instead of this card, but I don't have it. Then I left just Capstone, protect these monsters. 1 Wonderland Dragon. It's a really good Dark Hole on legs, like I have explained before. Vertex Dragon for all HFS, one of the most useful rank gates. Number 40 King of Strings. Unfortunately not so good in this deck, but it's definitely going to be replaced by 107 of Fedra Divine Dragonite. And last rank 8, number 15 King of Strings. No, King of Jump Grinder. Sorry. It can become useful. The rank 4, Queen Machine. Revive your dragons. Number 13 Utopia. Chain of Bell to get the one Ophion or something. And 1 Girl Cowboy. Burn your opponent or get over some monsters. So this was my Blue Eyes Chaos Dragon deck profile. Of the variants, I dislike this one the most because it's a little too luck based in my opinion, but it's still pretty good and works. Definitely it's very aggressive build, but I'm not a really very aggressive player. I like more keep balanced and more win through meets through boss monster or the control. But so that is it. So for now, goodbye.